Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use Grindr photo album feature. So to use the Grindr photo album feature, you can start by creating or adding photos to your album. So to do that, open your Grindr app and then go to your profile, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you go to profile, scroll down to my albums. Now you can tap and take a photo, or you can just add pictures from your media library. Select one of it. Once you do that, create your album. Once you created an album, open a chat. Once you open a chat, tap the camera icon and select My Album to share it with other users. You can also remove a user's access to your album to stop them from seeing it. Now tap the trash icon on a photo within your album. Long press and drag photos to rearrange them. Be aware that album photos can be screenshotted by recipients. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.